Hi, good morning. My name is Tio Isnandiga. Today, I will tell you one of my best experience in 2020. An experience when I applied to an Indonesian Defense University. The story began when I fell in three selections to enter university at once just in 3 days. During a situation like that, I suddenly got an invitation from WhatsApp group which contained information about admission to the Indonesian Defense University to become one of the students. For your information, Indonesian Defense University have a various selection must be passed. The first thing that must be passed is the score selection of a report. The score must be above 19 in some subject like mathematics, physics, and chemistry. The second selection that must be passed is an academic ability test. The test was including a psychological test, a TOEFL test, and subject tests like a mathematics, physics, and chemistry. The entire test is online at home, and surprisingly, I managed to pass all of them. From the announcement that there are only 400 people who passed from the more than 30,000 people that signed up for the first selection. After that, I got a letter from the Indonesian Defense University to take a medical test and interview test directly at the campus of Indonesian Defense University in Bogor for a week. This is an amazing experience for me because it's the first time I went out of my town for a long time period, and the date of departure was only a day after a UTBK test, with a selection test to enter Blas Maret University. During a trip for approximately 10 hours from Solo to Bogor, I just silent and sometimes I take a picture from the outside because I don't have any idea about Indonesian Defense University. When I got there, I was immediately placed in the barrack to stay for a week. This barrack is not just ordinary barrack because it's a special barrack for a Garuda troop who will be assigned abroad. The second day after I arrived at the barrack was a mental health test. I was presented with a lot of questions about myself and how I can see myself here. Furthermore, in the third day was a general health test. In this test, all parts of my body are examined, from the eye, nose, mouth. Next, on the day 4 and day 5 is a interview test. The first interview is a national interview, which is an interview that measures how much I love my country. The second interview is an academic interview, which is an interview that measures how much I want to get in this university. On the sixth day, there were no events. The committee on the day held a meeting to determine who would pass and who would have to go home. I spent all day to cleaning myself, chatting with a friend, read a book, and walk around the barrack. The next day, on the seventh day, is a graduation announcement, and unfortunately, I didn't qualify at the time. I was sent home with approximately 100 of my friends. On the announcement letter, it was told that I failed in a medical test. Sorry, it's starting to rain now, so the sun might be not clean. Okay, let's continue. As soon as announcement, I immediately travel back to the Solo, and I arrived in Solo next day morning. I was not disappointed with my failure because in there I got a many experience, many of new friends that I couldn't get anywhere else. So that's it, my story. Thanks for listening and goodbye.